Good morning, students. Let us start with our new chapter number 13, symmetry. Now, what is symmetry? When a shape or thing has two parts equal or in even proportion is called symmetry. Now, let me explain this with the help of an example. Now, see, a butterfly is here. When I cut this into two parts, see here. These two parts are equal. This is called symmetry. See here, a rough figure. If I cut it, see, this side also same and this side also same. That means two parts equal or in even proportion. That is called symmetry. This line which is called line of symmetry. See, this line is called line of symmetry. Understood? A line of symmetry is also called an axis of symmetry. We can call line of symmetry also an axis of symmetry. Now, a symmetrical figure may have a single line of symmetry or multiple line of symmetry. Now, see, here is a square. Now, we can cut equally like this way. From here also we can cut this like, and from here also you can cut like this way. Now see, we can cut this square into, divide this into four equal parts in four ways. Now for example, a paper, when we fold equally, when one part overlaps the other part equally is called symmetry. A square paper. For example, if this is a square paper, I can overlap like this way also, like this way also. This point will meet here, this corner, this way also and this way also. This is called line of symmetry. And some figures have single line of symmetry and some have multiple line of symmetry. Understood? Now, equilateral triangle. Now see, equilateral triangle means all the three sides equal. Now, if I draw a line here. Now see, both the parts look equal, look same. Now, as this is an equilateral triangle, all the three sides equal. So, I can divide this triangle like this way also and like this way also. See, that means an equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. Understood? Now, this is a rough figure of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides equal. So, I can divide isosceles triangle only one way. See here. That is this way. It has only one line of symmetry. Understood? Next is circle. We can divide or draw as many as number of lines of symmetry in a circle. Now see, this way, this way, That means a circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Understood? Now this is, next is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the sides unequal. So there will be no line of symmetry in a scalene triangle. Understood? Next is rectangle. Can you say how many lines of symmetry are there in a rectangle? We can divide the rectangle in two ways. Now see, like this way and like this way. See, when we overlap these two parts, they are exactly same. Understood? That means there are two lines of symmetry in a rectangle. Now this is rhombus. In a rhombus also we can make two lines of symmetry. See, like this way and like this way. Understood? Next is reflection and symmetry. Now what is reflection? Reflection means when we see an object or an alphabet or some alphabets in the mirror, how it appear in the mirror. For example, some alphabets are there. This is B. When we see B in a mirror, it will look like this way. That means they are not symmetrical. P, see here, this is P. When we see P in the mirror, it will look like this way. Some alphabets are there, they look different. But some alphabets are there, they look same. For example, see here, A. When we see A in the mirror, it will appear same. Like this way. O. It will look like same. Understood? Now see here, reflection images or mirror image of alphabets are here. See here. Exercise 13.1, question number 1. List any 4 symmetrical objects from your home or school. Now we can see many symmetrical objects in our home and school. Now see, so 4 objects are a glass, tabletop, blackboard, a plate, etc. Now question number 2. For the given figure, which one is the mirror line? Line 1 or line 2? Now see the figure given here. This is line 1 and this is line 2. Which is the mirror line? Line 2 is the mirror line. Why? Because if we fold this figure, then through line 2, it will coincide, overlap each other equally. Understood? Question number 3. Identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetric or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. Now see, this is a log. Is this a symmetric object? Yes. We can draw the line of symmetry like this way. See, this is the symmetrical line. Let us give its name as L. Understood? Now, second figure C. Is this a symmetric figure? Yes. We can draw the line of symmetry here. Like this way. Here also give any name. M, N, whatever you want to give. Line M is the line of symmetry. Now see this one. Can you draw any symmetric line here? No. If we draw symmetrical line here, the two parts will not be equal. That means this is not a symmetrical figure. Understood? Now see here, this one. Yes, we can. This is also a symmetrical figure. We can draw the line of symmetry like this way. Next, this figure. Can you draw the line like this way? No. The line of symmetry will be like this way. See. This way. Next figure. Here also we can draw the line of symmetry like this way. This all figures except this one is symmetrical figure. Understood? Question number 4. Copy the following on a square paper. A square paper is what would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete them such that the dotted line is the line of symmetry. Now see, this is the first figure. What they told? They told that this dotted line is the line of symmetry. If this side is like this way, then what we have to do? We have to complete this figure. So here also, this side also, same figure we have to draw here. Now see, I have done this for you. See here. This is the line of symmetry. This part is given. So the same part, exactly the same I have done for you here. Now see, this is our answer. Understood? Figure B. Now see, this is the dotted line and a line of symmetry. Now see, here this is the figure. Then here also the figure will exactly same you have to draw here. Now see, I have done this for you. This is the line of symmetry. Here I have done same portion for you. Now see C, figure C. This is the line of symmetry and half part is given here. So the same figure you have to draw here. Now see, line of symmetry and the full figure I have done for you. Understood? Now figure D, E and F. This is your homework. Question number 5. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. Now this is the line of symmetry. How we will complete this figure? We will draw the same part here. Now see, we have completed our figure here. Understood? Question number 6. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. Now see, our figure is given here and L is the line of symmetry. Now we have to draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram. So how we will do? Now see here. You have to draw the same triangle like this way here. See here. I have done this for you. Understood? With this we complete our first part here. Okay. We will continue further in our next